Kusukela ekuseni banamhlanje abeshubisa umkantsha amakhaza eGoli, kanti lokhu kwenza abaziphilisa ngokuqoqa imfucuza bathwale kanzima.
Phila nge-recycling yabo, and ngivuka ekuseni njalo yabo. So manje njalo nje so sengiyacomparisha nakule winter futhi. So kwesifo cho ngakodola kakhulu. Ngivele ngigule.
Njengoba lobu kuzoba ubusuku obumakhaza eGauteng, abezimo eziphuthumayo kulomkhandlu udolobha waseGoli banxusa izakhamuzi ukuthi zingashiyi izimbawula zivutha.
Let's make sure that all heating devices are well looked after. When they're in use, we don't leave them unattended. And of course, our residents in our informal settlements who are using braziers or imbawula, they need to use it in a well-ventilated area. And also be reminded to take it out before they go to bed.
Izangoma zezulu, iSouth African Weather Service zixwayisa ngamakhaza ezweni lonke kulezi nsuku. Kanti kwezinye izindawo amazinga azoba ngaphansi kuka-10 degrees Celsius.
Tomorrow's minimums in Gauteng drop quite significantly, with -1 in Pretoria, -4 in Johannesburg, and up to -6 in Vereeniging. Over the southwestern parts, still expecting strong winds with some disruptive snow over the high-lying areas of the Western Cape province, as well as the escarpments of the Eastern Cape, with strong winds over the interior. Damaging wind and wave are expected over the west and south coast of the country as a whole, spreading all over to just below Durban in the coastal areas of KwaZulu-Natal.
Lamakhaza kulindeleke ukuthi abengconywana ukusuka ngoLwesithathu.